So far we have seen different labelings from access labels and text, and we used mathematical expressions in text so that we can label even scientific equations, and we did annotations because if you want to annotate the peak of the curve or max of the curve, min of the curve or median of the curve, we need some annotations. So that's the reason we have seen that also. Now we'll be looking into the legends. So legend, often we want to identify lines or markers with axis dot legend. So that's what is axis dot legend. That's what we are going to use it here. So what we will do, we will do one example so that it would be much clearer. So I'll type just legends. Okay. So say let's take fig comma x is equals to plt dot subplots, and inside that I'm gonna give the fig size as usual 5 comma 2.7. It's done. Then execute and see all fine. Then let's add a data sources. Anyway, we have data 1, data 2, data 3 that we have created in our previous examples. I'll go with the same one because I'm continuing in the uh, same Jupyter notebook editor. So let me go with the X and then plot. Let's start adding np.arange of len of data 1. This is my first one, like the data to be plotted on x-axis, that is the length of a data 1 array, and for the y-axis I'll take data 1 array directly, and the third argument is label. So I'll go with the label because I'm labeling because I want to show it in legend. If you want to show it in legend, you have to label it. I'll say data 1. Fine. So now let me copy this and paste it here so that I can continue with the other ones. So here I will go with the 2, data 2, and label is also data 2. Rest all remains same. Okay. Then next one, paste it. Data 3 length is x-axis, and the on y-axis the data is data 3 array directly, and label would be data 3. And let's execute. What's the issue here? Arrange got an unexpected. Okay, so I'm copying everywhere, sorry. So I missed. That happens when you type code. You have to be very careful. Their arrange got an unexpected argument level. Oh, whoa, everything got into the same tuple. From here, okay, I have to close this one, this one, this one, and execute. Still it's unmatched. Where it is unmatched at the end? Yeah. Yeah, I think it's done. Yes, it's done. Okay, these small mistakes will happen, so you have to be careful while typing your code. So let me add x dot legend directly to represent and execute it, and here is your legend. Simple, very simple. Okay, but what I want to do is, for one plot I want to add a markers. I just want to add a markers to this one so that it looks good. Okay, and here is that. This is how it looks like. I have added a marker to data 3. It's no more a line, so it only represents the markers or points on the graph. So legends in the matplotlib are quite flexible in layout, placement, and what artists they can represent. So you can visit a documentation for the more understanding about the same.